Exercise 2.4, question number 10. Write f of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 4 in completed square form. Let us see how to write it in completed square form. So let me write the given quadratic polynomial x square x square plus 5x plus 4. Now what we have to do is, always for writing in the completed square form, we have to see the second term. Whatever be the second term, always divide it by 2. So you have to select the second term. For whatever is the question, you have to divide by 2. After that, the getting answer you have to square. So when you square, you will have 25 by 4. Now this how I have to write is x square plus 5x. When I divided by 2 and when I squared, I got 25 by 4. Write it as plus 25 by 4 minus 25 by 4. Also write the constant number here, plus 4. So this is your second step. I hope you understood. Divide the second term by 2, square it up. Whatever answer you get, write first with plus sign, the next with minus sign. Now we have to divide it into two parts. The first three terms, let me take it as first part, and the next two, let me take it as second part. The first three terms will be your first part. This last two terms will be your second part. Now, this first three I have to factorize and write. How to factorize and write? I have to see the first term, x square. The square root of x square is x. So, write it as x. The middle term, you see the sign alone. The sign here is positive. So, write here plus sign. Suppose if you have your minus sign, I have to write here minus sign. So according to the question, whatever sign you have to write the sign. The third term, you have to take the square root. 25 by 4, the square root is 5 by 2, and you have to write whole square. So let me tell once again, x square and the last term, take the square root. Square root of x square is x. Square root of 25 by 4 is 5 by 2. Middle term, you check the sign. If it is plus, you have to write plus. If it is minus, you have to write the minus. So middle term is for seeing the sign. Now this last two terms I have to simplify by taking LCM. You can see the LCM will be 4. So here this minus 25 I have to write as it is. When I take the LCM, 4 4s you will have 16. So minus 25 plus 16 you will have minus 9. So here I have to write it as minus 9 by 4. Minus 25 plus 16 you have to subtract and put the greater number sign. So minus 9 by 4. Now in the next step, this term I have to write as it is, x plus 5 by 2 whole square. This 9 by 4, I can write it as 3 by 2 whole square. So 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. So when we are able to write this, this is only called completed square form.